Tonight, while you sleep, your brain will quietly repair itself, replay memories, and decide what to keep and what to forget. I'd like to take you inside that quiet world. I've spent about a decade in the sleep world, observing, documenting, analyzing data acquired from sleep. This is usually done in a sleep laboratory, which is basically a calm room with equipment meant for monitoring and documenting sleep. People sleep here while their bodies tell stories through signals, which are mostly wires, really soft wires, and a camera, a video camera recording device. Most cases, there are also other devices in the room which could be used for treatment. This could be a CPAP, APAP devices, or other devices that could be as well used in accompaniment with the monitoring devices for the sleep. I will break down what exactly these rooms do, or rather what exactly are found in this room, as well as the stories that are revealed through the different devices, which are basically signals, and the significance of this to what our complaints or sometimes our symptoms in regard to sleep could be. My name is Marianne. I'm a biomedical engineer, and I also hold a master's degree in sleep medicine. But more importantly, I have experienced sleep in a very close, not really close, but I've experienced sleep in a sleep laboratory from both perspectives. One, as an expert working with patients coming to complain for the different complaints or referred for different various reasons, and also the other side as someone who's been affected by poor sleep quality. And that's why it's my passion right now to share some of this knowledge and information, because I'm sure it could be of use to someone else out there, and it could also create more awareness into some of the things we could be ignoring or we could be dealing with and not knowing their roots, yet they could mostly just be a reason of poor sleep quality. So a sleep laboratory is basically a quiet room where the body is observed with different devices, and while we sleep, some of the things that are observed in a sleep laboratory specifically are the breathing, the heartbeat, the brain waves, and the movements, like body movements, the hands, legs movements, and also generally the breathing movements. So on this platform, we will talk about sleep, why we sleep, how normal sleep looks like, what are the red flags in a sleep, or what does a not normal sleep look like, why we dream, why we snore, what's the impact of the various things we experience while sleeping on us, why do some people wake up at night and frequently, and also why is sleep experienced by various people differently, especially through different stages of life. How do children or babies experience sleep? How do toddlers experience sleep? How do young adults or adolescents experience sleep? How do women experience sleep? How do we experience sleep also as we age? And also, how do the different occupations, the different things we do also affect our sleep? Our focus is mostly going to be from my view or from my experience, which is I'm a woman and also I'm a mother. So I will be giving most of those perspective from my first-hand experience, and that will be the majority of what I will be focusing on. I hope this information is going to be of use to many of you out here. If it will not be something you directly can benefit from, I'm sure you know one or two people who can be having some questions and can be at crossroads with their sleeps, who might need some of the information you will hear here or you will get on this platform. So feel free to share with them or share widely on your different capacities. Engage also with the content I'm going to put out here. I would like to know your feedback, your comments. Would you want to see more? What would you want to hear me speak about? Because I think that's the only way that some of the information I'll be putting out there would be also beneficial. So I welcome you all to subscribe as well to this platform, and also keep coming back to check on the videos that we'll be uploading. There will be some exciting things along the way. Maybe I'll be having guests, some engagements or some collaborations with a few people, professionals, who I'll tag along on the channel that you'll probably get to meet them, or I'll be giving the information when the time comes that you'll be aware. But I will also be having frequent uploads with the various information I've already mentioned, basically about sleep, different sleep disorders. So you can visit the channel frequently, get to give your opinions, and also come along. Thank you so much, and depending on the time of the day or the time of the night you're watching this, have a good day or have a good night.